Howdy do, my friends. We are going to jump into a really quick 5-minute advanced ab circuit. So this is not a really one to jump into if you've had a kid recently and you're still recovering from maybe a diastasis recti where the linea alba has been stretched a bit and needs to be strengthened. So this is one where you've been working on that for a while. You've built up a foundational strength for your core and want to challenge it a bit more. So this would be a good one to add at the end of another workout, a couple times a week, or to take exercises from it and add one into a circuit that you maybe create on your own. So I hope it gives you some new exercises to try for the core. But again, if you are just still healing and strengthening the core after childbirth or have maybe not been doing much core work, go back to the transverse abdominal exercises, go back to the other core circuits that I offer and build up your strength. Do those at least 2 to 3 times a week for a couple months and then come and try this one again a little bit later. But I wanted to give an option to aim for, to shoot for. So we got the timer set for 5 minutes. We're going to come onto the mat. So all you need is a soft surface or your mat. We're going to start with X lifts. So we're going to do 6 reps of each movement. And again, you can go to 8 or 10 of them. But I want to try and get through a couple of rounds, so I'm going to do 6 reps. So you can do 6 reps with me or go to a higher number. So you're going to make yourself into an X. Arms are reaching up, legs are spread out. And you're going to bring right arm to left foot, reach up, and then left arm to right foot. Good, going for 6. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are going to go by a little bit more quickly because of the fact that we're just doing 6 reps. We're going to do an advanced bird dog, but I'm going to show you regular bird dog really quickly. So you're from tabletop position, you reach opposite arm and leg, and then come elbow to knee, and then switch. So this would be right arm, left leg, and then elbow to knee, and then switch. But we're going to come into plank position. So you're going to reach opposite arm and leg, you're going to try and bring them together, and then set the foot down and the hand up. If it's too much to do the elbow cross, just do the arm and leg lift. Maybe try it. If you lose it, it's okay. Woo! This side's harder for me. Good, that's 4. These are very challenging. So it's probably good I'm just doing 6 reps. Good, this is the last one. And release. Okay, come into side plank. So I'm going to start on my right side on the elbow. Stack the feet. Left elbow is going to reach down to tap the right hand. Come up. Crunch. Release. And then you're going to come through the center, through plank in the middle, to the other side. Now on my left elbow, right elbow taps to the left hand. Come up. Crunch. And switch sides. So each time you're going to twist the elbow down. Come up. Crunch. And then switch sides. Good. Halfway on these. Whoops, I forgot to tap. So tap and then switch. Good, this is 5. And 6. Awesome. All right, jackknives are next. Oh, these are hard. So you're going to go from lying down to bring yourself all the way toes to toes, fingers to toes. Okay, come on up, explode up. 1, carefully lower down. 2, 3, try and get those fingers all the way up to those toes. 4, 5, pull the belly button in, don't push the abs out. And 6, awesome. Start back at the top with the X. So those are the 4. So here we go. 1, try and get all the way up there. My right shoulder's a little bit tight here, so it's hard for me to reach it out in an X. I'm going to do more of a cactus arm, just so if you're wondering what I'm doing with it. Awesome. Bird dog. Flip on over. Get some shoulder work here too. And upper back. 1, whoops. 2, try and keep those hips steady. I know I'm rocking a bit. that last elbow to knee, which is really tough. Okay, side plank. So we're gonna tap, top elbow down, open up, tap the knee, switch sides. Keep the hips and feet stacked. So still keeping the principles of good form on the side planks. Third rep. 4. And 5. Getting close to 5-minute mark. Woo! And 6. Okay, come onto your back. We're gonna see how many jackknives you can get in before the timer goes up. 1. Still keep that good form. 2, no rushing. And 3, oh, half of them done. All right, so quick 5-minute advanced ab circuit. Of course, you could do another round of that, extend it a bit more if you wanted. But it's a really nice finisher for your other workouts to extend your workout a little bit more, or to take maybe 1 or 2 of these exercises and put it into a circuit that you maybe do like a total body circuit. So I hope you like them. Shoot me any questions you have, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.